In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock FPS with Roblox BloxStrap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, one of the features built into BloxStrap is the option to unlock your FPS. So if you go to the official website at bloxstraplabs.com and you download the latest version, you will have full access to the tool and you will find the option to unlock your FPS. If you want additional help with all of the features, you can click on the wiki and you will be redirected to the GitHub page. So all that you have to do to unlock the FPS is to go into Engine Settings, and in here there's going to be a bunch of stuff. Scroll down until you find Frame Rate Limit. So if you set it to 0, you will get the default frame rate limits. And besides this, you can change this value to whatever it is that you wish to use. So for example, 60 is usually going to be the sweet spot. You can increase it to 120, which a lot of monitors will support, so the refresh rate of a lot of modern monitors is going to be 120. Some monitors will use 144, others will use 165, and basically it is recommended that you match the refresh rate of your monitor with the FPS that you set up here. But this isn't a strict rule. You can go as far as you wish, and you can even do something like 99999. And when you will launch the game with BloxStraps running in the background, you will be good to go. Always remember to save the changes that you do, so use this button here at the bottom right. So set up the FPS to the frame rate limit and you will be good to go. However, something that I need to make very clear is that in the modern versions of Roblox, if you head over into the settings, there is a native option here to unlock the frame rate. Of course, you will still go to the limit of 240, but I believe this is going to be good for most people. So you can just unlock the FPS without having to download additional tools. So do this at your own discretion, but if you want to do it through BloxStrap, follow the method that I showcase here. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock FPS with Roblox BloxStrap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.